Hello and welcome to the channel. Valvoline Instant Oil Change is hiring, so let's get right into it. They are hiring customer care agents, and this is 100% remote. It all starts with our people. Here's a little background on the company. I will not read that to you, but I will pause so you can. Now let's scroll down. Valvoline is actively hiring 100% remote customer care agents, plural, meaning they're hiring more than one. We wholeheartedly adopt a never idle mindset. We also know that outstanding service begins and ends with our employees. So we're looking for good people to join our team. You bring your skills, talents, and drive. We will give you a great place to work, a competitive salary and benefits, and the resources to support and develop and advance within our company. As we often say, it starts with our people, and that's where you come in. We're looking for a humble, hungry, and smart person to help us power the future of mobility. If you're looking for a collaborative and flexible work environment that invests in your growth and success, you've come to the right place. Their highest priority is to hire a diverse team. So the salary for this position is $18.65 an hour. That means this pays $38,792 a year. How you'll make a difference: delivering world-class customer service to customers with issues and inquiries via phone in a high-volume contact center environment, maintaining solid customer relations by handling customer inquiries and de-escalating customer concerns, multitasking using proprietary software programs to track and document calls, utilizing research skills to troubleshoot customer issues, providing proactive communication to internal and external customers via call and email, maintaining productive relationships with peers through positive teamwork, working with customers to identify automotive maintenance needs, and performing other duties as assigned. Now, what are the requirements for you? You'll need a high school diploma or equivalent. You must be authorized to work in the United States and have at least 1 year customer service experience or call center experience. Now, I just want to point out, if you've worked in fast food, you probably have this experience. Strong computer skills, proficient in Excel, Word, Outlook, and CRM software, excellent communication skills, both verbal and written, customer focus and adaptability to different personality types, and ability to multitask, set priorities, and manage time effectively.